Good morning students. Last class we discussed about use of brackets and some explanation of Roman numerals. Today again we will continue the class. Then in Indian system we are using Hindu-Arabic numeral system. In some cases we are observing wall clock and school timetable. Already we discussed about yesterday these numerals. On that I will write See, first I am taking 1 to 10 Roman numerals numbers. In that, first for 1 I used I. Then double I means we are using 2 times means the number will be 2. 3 times means the number will be 3. Already yesterday class we completed. What is the rule? Any Roman numeral symbol will not repeat more than 3 times. Will not repeat more than 3 times. That's why we are using for next for 4 we have to use 1 and I and V. I and V. See here 1, 2, 3 after 4th Roman numeral we are using actually V means 5. V means 5. Then V before I value is there. V before I value. Before is there means what is that meaning? Before is there. Then we have to subtract. Means this is 5 before 1 is nothing but 4. Is nothing but 4. Same like as 6. This is 5 after 1. 5 after 1, this is 6. This is 6. That's why we are using 5 before 1, 5 after 1. I means 1, V means 5. Like that, 5 means V double I. V I means 2 numbers right side. Right side means which operation perform actually addition. That's why 7. Next V after 3. 3 means 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Next, then 8 after 9. 8 after 9 how to write? Actually we are thinking V after 4 ones, but that is wrong. Why? Because according to rule we didn't use more than 3 times. More than 3 times we didn't use any symbol. That's why we used Y I X. X means 10. I before X. Before X means what I said before value means subtraction means 9. Subtraction means 9. X is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. Like that. Now I will write from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14 means again 4 means 10 plus 4. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Observe here 11 means 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3, 10 plus 4. 4 is nothing but already we done. 4 means IV. Next 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. See here X came 2 times, that's why 20. Like that. Next after 20 how to write remaining tens? Now 1 to 20 let us we completed. Next again See, single x means 10, double x 20, triple x 30. According to Roman numeral rule, we have to write only 3 times any Roman symbol. Okay, next L. Already we know the value of L. What is L value? 50. Next 60 means Lx is equal to 60, L double x is equal to 70, L triple x is equal to 80. Okay, then what about 90? And we have to go first of all 100 value. What is the 100 value? Symbol of 100 is equal to C, means 100. Then 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 means C, this one is equal to 90. See, xc means from x value to subtract from C. C means 100 minus x is equal to 90. 100 minus x is equal to 90. Like that we have to write. See, 1x means 10, double x means 20, triple x means 30, xl. xl means here, L means 40, 50, 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10, why? Because here, then left side the less value is there. That's why we have to use subtraction. Then 40, L value 50. Then 50 after each 10 we have to add. 1 10 adding means 60, 2 10s adding means 70, 3 10s adding means 80. But don't write like this. This is wrong. Why? Because see, any numeral symbol, any Roman numeral symbol will not repeat more than 3 times. Will not repeat more than 3 times. That's why we have to use C. C means 100 value. Then we want 90 means 100 before 10 value means we have to take xc. X means 10. C 10 is subtract from 100. That's why 90. Then C is equal to 100. This is the Roman numerals from 10 to 100. Now I will repeat again rules. For example, 1i is there means 1, 3 times is there means 3. Like that, 1x is there means 10, 2x is there means 20. Means number of times repeat the symbol, that many times the value will increase. Number of times the repeat the symbol, that times the value will increase. This is the rule 1. Next, left side is there means subtraction, right side is there means addition. Left side is there means subtraction, addition. Which is in left side? The small value is in left side. Then the small value is subtract from the big value. The small value is in left side. The small value is subtract from the big value. Here the less value is in right side. The less value have to add the big value. Right side is there means the small value we have to add. Left side is there means we have to subtract. Okay. Next, any number, any Roman numeral will not repeat more than 3 times. This is wrong. We are using, this is correct. Okay, like that. This is wrong. We have to use, this is correct. Observe in that, see here, I 3 times is there means 3, 4 times we didn't use. Why? Because according to the Roman numeral rule, we have to use any Roman numeral symbol, any symbol only 3 times. More than 3 times did not use. Okay, like that. Here also x 4 times, this is wrong. We have to use only more than, we have to use up to 3 times, not more than 3 times. Next, some important points is there. Some 2 important points. VLD. These symbols VLD. Observe, V means 5, L means 50, D means 500. V means 5, L means 50, D means 500. These symbols didn't use left side of any numeral. Left side of any numeral means like that. This is wrong. Okay, 5 values didn't use left side of the any numeral symbol. Next, like this also. See, actually C means 100, L means 50. 100 minus 50, what is the answer? 50. Then we can use directly L. No. Here, what is the answer? This is 10, this is 5. Means left side is there, means according to rule we have to use subtraction. 10 minus 5 means what is the answer? 5. Then directly we can use V. This is correct. This is wrong. Don't use VLD letters left side of the Roman numerals. Especially why? Because these are in, see, observe a blind logic. This is 5, 50, 100. 5 values. 5 values don't use left side of the Roman numeral. And some more rules. Have some more rules. What is that? Symbol I, subtract only from V and X. I means what is the value? 1. 1 subtract only from V and X. Didn't use remaining numbers. Why? Because the value will change. Next, X. X subtract L, M and C only. Means L, C, M. L, C and M. L, C and M. Why? Because X means 10. 10 subtract only these values, 50, 100 and thousands. Didn't use before remaining values. Means what are the remaining values? Means D is the 500. Don't use before X like this. Okay, we have to use X. X didn't use before the other values. Means what are the other values? LCM except this value means D only D. D is nothing but 500. This is 2 rules. I repeat once again. See, I means what is the value? 1. 1, subtract only 2 values. What are that? V and X. Next, what is the one more rule? X means 10. 10 subtract only from L, C and M. What is the L value? 50, C value 100 and M value 1000. These are the rules. Next, I will write some problem. Just check it whether Roman numerals or not. First one, second one Vx, third one IC, fourth one XVV. Observe the four cases. These are Roman numerals only, but exact numbers are not. Check it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, what is the value of x? Means 10. 4 times is there means 40. Actually, 40 value, 40 is equal to what is the value? XL. This is the correct. This is the correct answer. But this is wrong. Why? Because according to the Roman numeral rule, any Roman numeral symbol, we didn't repeat more than 3 times. We have to use only 3 times. But here how many times is there? 4 times. That's why this is wrong. Next Vx. Vx means what is the meaning? See, x minus 5. X minus 5. X means x value means 10. 10 minus 5, what is the answer? 5 only. Then we can write directly V. Then why are you using Vx? That's why this is also wrong. This is correct. Okay, next one. I and C. IC. IC means you are thinking C is 100 and I means 1. Totally means right side is left side is there. That's a subtraction operation. We have to use what is that? 900 minus 1, 99. But according to the rule wise, I can subtract only from V and X. I can subtract only V and X only. But here C is there. That's why this is wrong answer. According to rule, this is not possible. Last one, XVV. X means 10. Double V. Double V is possible. Double V means what is that? V means 5. V means 5. Okay, 5. X plus 5 plus 5. Total 20. 20 we can write double X. That's why this also wrong. This also wrong. Don't use this type of Roman numerals. Why? Because according to the rule, we have to use any Roman numerals 3 times only, and then the 5 value here directly we have the value, no need to again the special operations, and I can subtract from only X and V only. Next, XVV. VV means 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is nothing but 10. 10 we have to use directly X comma X. Okay, these are the Roman numerals. Okay, in that the main values are, I will write once again. The main values are I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 5, 50, C is equal to 100, and D equal to 500, M or K is equal to 1000. This is the topic about Roman numerals. Okay, in the Roman numerals, according to these are the reference values. By using this reference value, we can write any number. Okay, students, thank you. For next classes, again we will discuss whole chapter, some problems. Okay, thank you.